Hey riders, welcome back to Bike Review Hub, your go-to place for honest reviews and in-depth looks at the latest bikes. Today, we've got something exciting for the cruiser lovers out there. We're diving into the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250, a bike that's compact in size but big on attitude. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking for a nimble city cruiser, stick around. This might just be your next ride. Visuals of the bike. The Bolt 250 returns in 2025 with refreshed styling and Yamaha's classic cruiser DNA. This year, Yamaha has fine-tuned its design to give the Bolt 250 a sleeker tank, new LED lighting, and improved ergonomics that cater to both shorter and taller riders. It keeps the retro-modern feel while adding a bit more edge, performance, and engine. Now let's talk performance. The Bolt 250 is powered by a 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine. While that might sound modest, it delivers surprisingly strong low-end torque, perfect for city cruising and weekend getaways. Paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox, the ride is buttery and easy to manage, ideal for newer riders or anyone looking for a low-maintenance daily cruiser. Design and comfort. The 2025 model features an updated low-slung seat at just 27 inches, making it accessible for riders of all heights. The handlebar has been slightly raised and pushed back for a more relaxed riding posture. The diamond-shaped fuel tank and chopped fenders give it a bold, bobber-inspired look that really turns heads. Technology and features. One of the biggest upgrades this year is the fully digital LCD instrument cluster, clear, minimalist, and easy to read. You also get LED headlamps and taillights as standard. There's no fancy rider modes or traction control here, and honestly, that's the charm of the Bolt 250. It keeps it simple and raw, just how a cruiser should be. Ride test segment on road. Taking the Bolt 250 out on the street, it's impressively agile for a cruiser. Cornering is smooth, the throttle response is predictable, and the engine hums without stress. You're not winning any drag races, but for cruising and commuting, this bike nails it. So, is the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 worth your money? Absolutely. If you're looking for a stylish, dependable entry-level cruiser that captures the essence of open-road riding without the intimidation of bigger displacement bikes. At an expected price of around $4,500 to $5,000, it's one of the best bangs for your buck in its class. That's a wrap on today's review. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the Bolt 250? Or are you holding out for something bigger? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. This is Alex from Bike Review Hub, signing off. Ride safe and ride smart.